Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do this quick 5 minutes afro hairstyle. So I'm just parting my hair into two. Then it's very easy hairstyle, guys. You should do it for your children, for your kids, for your sisters, cousins. It suits both adults and children, guys. So I'm parting my hair, then I'm going to do a quick style, just curve open like that. So we are going to open two parts in front so that we can quickly style it into quick twist. If you don't want twist, you can just roll as you know how to, just as I am doing, guys. So guys, I would like you to subscribe to my channel so that you keep being posted whenever I post videos. You can be part of our family. I post hairstyle and makeup tutorial in this channel, so kindly subscribe for more videos related to this. So this hairstyle, you just do to the other side what I just did to the first side. I'll part like a curve. You can part, even if you want to part like a square, you just part the way you want to part this hair. But what we want is to have two equal parts in front, so two equal sections in front, so that it can be similar. It might not be equal like twins, but it can be equal like sisters, but let it look the same. So I'm just going to comb my hair so that I'll just tie it down. So this hair is afro hair, not without chemicals. I didn't put chemicals since I started to grow her hair. So this hairstyle is welcome to every type of hair. Everyone can do this hairstyle. Everyone that does have hair can do this hairstyle. You can do a DIY for yourself, to go to the office, to go anywhere. It fit office, it fit casual and formal both. So I'm just going to make my hair fluffy, then those two bands fluffy. Then I'm just going with this freezing. It's just a gel, a styling gel, not a slicking gel. It's a styling gel for afro hair, which is good for your afro. It's anti-dandruff. So this styling gel is good because it can also bring a bit of curls if it dries down. So if you don't want like to leave it as twist, you can twist it and you leave it to dry with a twist. Then you will remove the twist. The time you remove the twist after the hair dries, it will be curly. It will be curly, guys. So that's the other idea. If you don't want to leave the twist, you just remove it as soon as it dries for the hair to be curly. So we didn't have time to wait for the hair to be curly, so we just make our twist. And this gel is very good. It helps also to make the twist well defined, guys. You don't want to make it very difficult. Just twist anyhow, the style will just pop up like that. It will just pop up like that. So we make it two. As you can see, we can't put one because it will look funny, so we just make two parts, two sections, and that's the outcome, guys. You can see that. So this time I removed, but you can remove if it dries, it will be curly. So I went to do that twist back again, and I used the accessories, guys. You cannot go without accessories if you are an accessory queen, to make the hairstyle pop. Guys, if you always come to my videos and you don't subscribe, that's witchcraft. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a like. Give a like if you find this video valuable or interesting. Until we meet again.